Shush! We're in an art gallery and everyone is quietly looking at the beautiful paintings and other works of art. Look, here's a landscape painting with green hills and a clear blue sky. Over here is a seascape with stormy seas and a cloudy sky. Isn't it dramatic? In this next room, there are portraits which I find fascinating. I love looking at faces. But the next room has boring still lifes, which are too static for me, and worse still, abstract paintings which I can't understand. I could paint really well as a child, but I now prefer photography. It's quicker. In fact, there's a photography section in the museum too, with incredible black and white photos. If you prefer design, we might go to the design section, where there's a display of sculpture, as well as an interesting exhibition on modern architecture. I really like this gallery. I think they've succeeded in making the artworks interesting as well as beautiful to look at. Before we leave, let's just think about what we've seen. We've seen a lot of paintings, including a landscape, seascape, portrait, still life, and abstract painting. We've also admired the design in some architecture and sculpture and seen the photography section.